Hello everyone, in this video of how to work with Microsoft PowerPoint, we are going to look at another interesting feature, that is design ideas. In PowerPoint, you can not only select different layouts for your slides, but the design as well. As I have clicked here, and the number of designs appear here to select from. You can search for more design ideas. Let's say I select this one for my title slide. Similarly, I can select different design for my each slide. You can apply different design and see which is going best with your slide. Or you can select the design for each slide based on the same theme. In this way, you can make your presentation more presentable and visually appealing. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.